In this video, I will show you whether you can get Snapchat Plus for free or not. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the Snapchat Plus option, then tap on it. From here, select Snapchat Plus Gifts, and in the top right corner, tap on Gifts Received. If someone has gifted you Snapchat Plus, it will appear in this section and you'll be able to use it for free. Now, you may have heard rumors online claiming you can get Snapchat Plus for free through certain tricks or websites. Be careful, many of these are scams and can compromise your privacy. The truth is, the only legitimate way to get Snapchat Plus for free is if someone sends it to you as a gift. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.